everyone. Dito na naman tayo sa review natin, and tonight will be a very long night. A long night. Bakit naman long night? Because we will be learning about the different facets or the different aspects of math. Merong na lesson natin ngayon, it's about math. Solve fast, faster. Math kasi ang nakikita na one of the problems na nakikita dyan na madalas doon pumupunta yung oras, di ba? In taking the examinations, it's more likely na because of the computations na ginagawa pa sa mathematics, whether it's basic or medyo advanced yan, madalas ito dito napupunta naman ang oras ninyo sa exam. So, bakit naman gano'n? Because, bakit pupunta yan? Bakit naman gano'n? Because test examiners would actually challenge all ng mga comprehension mo, no? All the things that you learn in college, they will always try to challenge that, most especially sa mathematics. And most of the time, natitingnan dito na mathematics is actually a problem, most especially sa comprehension. So the best advice actually is before answering the question, basahin mo muna ng maigi, because more often than not, the answer is actually in the question. So for tonight, math isn't about solving slowly and perfectly, it's about solving quickly and smartly. For tonight, we will tackle naman yung sinasabi nila na mental math. Though, sa mga iba dyan, this is basic, but the most important thing about mental math is it will give you actually the leeway, yung oras na kailangan mo sa hard questions if you could actually answer mentally. Na hindi ka pa nagpo-compute, but you only use your brain to calculate and find the answers. May technique naman dyan. There is always a technique there, and napakarami. Ang problema talaga dyan, it's not the problem actually, is marami yung techniques, but more likely that you will encounter questions that you will have to apply the techniques, and you must have to master it. So the best advice here actually is when you learn of the technique, try to use it. Kasi math ito in any random numbers, then prove the exercise. Yung sinasabi nila na mental math exercise ng mga ito. So ano ba na ang mga ito? Ito naman ay nagagawa para, number one, it's so that you could be able to spot patterns in seconds. Hindi ka pa maglalaan ng oras mo, or you would not actually be spending so much time in solving mathematical problems. The other one is how to eliminate wrong answers without solving fully. Pag tingin mo pa lang, alam mo na. You're given choices, right? Sa pag-answer ng questionnaires, and knowing the questionnaires. Pag tingin mo pa lang sa questionnaires, alam mo na kung ano yung mali at ano yung tama. And this is for you to guess intelligently, most especially when time is running out. Sa numerical ability section ng questionnaire, ito yung makikita nyo dyan. Basic arithmetic, word problems, percentages, fractions, decimals, series, and patterns, and practical math scenarios with regards to money, time, and measurement. More often than not, everyone, dito na naman tayo sa review natin, and tonight will be a very long night. A long night. Bakit naman long night? Because we will be learning about the different facets or the different aspects of math. Merong na lesson natin ngayon, it's about math. Solve fast.